there are some serious concerns that need to be addressed. Job displacement. One of the biggest worries is that AI will replace lawyers altogether. While this is unlikely to happen anytime soon, it's something to think about. Bias and discrimination AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, then the AI will be biased too. This could lead to unfair outcomes in legal cases. Ethical dilemmas. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake in a legal case? The developer? The lawyer? These are complex questions that need to be answered. It's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to make sure that it's used responsibly and ethically. Section 5. AI lawyers in action real-world examples. AI is not just a futuristic fantasy. It's already being used in the legal field today. Here are a few examples. Ross Intelligence. This AI-powered legal research platform helps lawyers find relevant case law in seconds. Kira Systems. This software uses AI to review contracts and identify potential risks and issues. Courts are using AI. Some courts are even using AI to help judges make sentencing decisions. These are just a few examples of how AI is already changing the legal landscape. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. Section 6. The future of law: Team Human or Team Robot. So, will robots replace lawyers altogether? It's unlikely in the near future. The law is complex and nuanced, requiring human judgment and empathy that AI can't replicate, yet. Instead of replacing lawyers, AI is more likely to become a powerful tool that helps them do their jobs better. Imagine a future where lawyers and AI work side by side, with AI handling the tedious tasks and lawyers focusing on the strategic and creative aspects of law. The future of law is not about choosing between humans and robots. It's about finding ways for them to work together to create a more efficient, accessible, and just legal system for everyone. So, let's embrace the potential of AI while being mindful of its challenges, and work towards a future where technology and human expertise join forces to deliver justice.